Hello, ma'am. Good evening. My name is Jason Kison, and my topic is Section 17.2 of the Republic Act number 8799, also known as the Securities Regulations Code. So, Section 17.2 of the Republic Act number 8799, also known as the Securities Regulations Code, applies to certain corporations in the Philippines. These include corporations with securities registered with the SEC. So the companies that have registered their securities with the Securities and Exchange Commissions or SEC must comply a specific disclosure and reporting requirements. Corporations listed on a stock exchange. The company whose shares are publicly traded on a stock exchange are covered, ensuring they adhere to transparency and reporting standards. Corporations with significant asset and shareholders, specifically companies with assets of at least 50 million pesos and 200 or more shareholders, each holding at least 100 shares of a class of its equity shares, fall under the section. These ensure these companies, given their size and public ownership, meet certain regulatory requirements to protect investors and maintain market integrity. So here is an example of applications. A company decides to go public by offering its shares to the public for the first time through initial public offering or IPO. Under the Securities Regulations Code, the company must first register its securities with the SEC. This involves to submitting prospectus that contains all materials information about the company, including its financial statements, business operation, risk, and management. So the SEC reviewed this prospectus to ensure that all necessary disclosures are made and that information is accurate and complete. Once approved, the company can proceed with its IPO, allowing investors to purchase its shares. If the company or its executive engage in uh, insider trading, buying or selling share based on non-public materials information, they would be violating the SRC. The SEC would have the authority to investigate and impose penalty and take legal action against those involved. So, the security regulations code is designed to maintain the integrity of the Philippines security market, to protect investors and promote economic growth through a well-regulated capital market.